Kimberly Chiu is a Filipino actress and singer, known for her performances in a range of genres across film and television. She rose to fame after winning the first teen edition of Pinoy Big Brother. Her films have grossed over 1.36 billion pesos at the box office, making her one of the highest-grossing box office stars of all time. Forbes Asia named her one of Asia Pacific's most influential Filipino personalities in 2020. Dubbed as the multimedia idol by various media outlets, she initially began playing supporting roles in several television shows early in her career. Her breakthrough came following her pairing with Gerald Anderson and has appeared together in a number of projects. The following year, Chiu topped Yes Magazine's list of 100 most beautiful stars and ventured more dramatic and comedic roles. It was succeeded by a string of commercially successful projects in television. Kimberly Chiu was born on April 19, 1990. She is the fourth of 5 children to William Chiu, a Chinese-Filipino businessman from Mindoro, and Luella Yap, a Philippine Sangli native who migrated from Dinagat Islands to Surigao del Sur, Philippines. She is fluent in Cebuano, Tagalog, and English, with her Waray, Hokkien, and Mandarin Chinese at a beginner level only. She gained prominence when she won the top prize in the reality series Pinoy Big Brother, Teen Edition. For the show, she left her hometown of Cebu City and moved to Manila. She, along with the rest of the housemates, entered the Big Brother house on April 23, 2006. After 42 days in the Big Brother house, she was named the Teen Big winner at the Aliw Theater inside the Cultural Center of the Philippines Complex in Pasay. She was the only housemate who was never nominated for eviction. After winning, she became part of Star Magic. She and her on-screen partner Gerald Anderson became regulars in ASAP 15 and appeared together in several ABS-CBN shows. Chiu dated former on-screen partner and fellow PBB housemate Gerald Anderson from 2006 to 2010. When asked what have they learned from their past relationship, Anderson said he learned about maturity and how to handle things and the person you care about better. On the other hand, Chiu shared that she learned that she should have her own life rather than be too clingy in a relationship. She previously had a relationship with leading man Sean Lim since 2012. Together, Kim Chiu and Sean Lim are one of the longest-lasting real-to-real-life couples in the past decade. We have witnessed their love for each other grow from an extremely private dating stage to them becoming one of the best Instagram couples up to date. After more than 10 years being together, the couple separated in 2023. Actors Paulo Avellino and Kim Chiu, collectively known as kimpau, are grateful to their fans who supported their tandem in their 2 successful projects. During an interview at the ABS-CBN compound in Quezon City, Paulo urged fans to remain calm as they pushed both stars to take their relationship to the next level. Inside Kim Chiu's pink condo, her secret hideout. Kim Chiu is back with another YouTube vlog, and this time, she's giving us a tour of her recently renovated condo. Fun fact, this place is her home away from home and she even calls it her secret hideout. According to Kim, most of the time, I'm really alone here. This is where I meditate. This is where I can think because it's quiet. It's where she likes to spend time alone for all things self-care and self-love. As soon as you walk into her new home, Kim welcomes us with her eye-catching geometric, rose gold wallpaper from Best Wall Coverings. Other than her cute aesthetic, this design choice definitely shows the other side of Kim that's modern and chic. She starts by showing her mini kitchen, with her collection of mugs, plates, and bowls. Knowing Kim, her loyalty to her favorite color never ceases. From her cool faucet that has multi-water pressure modes, to the white Nespresso coffee machine that effortlessly matches the white marble counters, to the pink kitchen appliances and dinnerware, this kitchen definitely has it all when you both love food and anything pretty. Underneath her coffee table is an equally stunning carpet. Fun fact, the floral design was from Solen Husat's carpet collection. Just across the kitchen is a simple dining area. It has her cute pink tea set which matches very well with the chic bar chairs. Kim also mentioned that she wanted to add greenery to her space. Throughout the video, you'll see that she placed several fake plants all around her unit. In fact, she even suggested that it's a good alternative if you're the type who doesn't have that much time to take care of real ones. Spotted. Another pink furniture piece. This wingback chair adds a quirky daintiness to the space. We all need that one spot in our home where we can sit down and relax during the day. As Kim describes it, this is her go-to chair in the morning when she drinks her hot cup of coffee and at times, during the lazy days where she just wants to read a book. Another item we noticed was Kim's sofa bed from Ashley Furniture. Kim revealed that this is actually the spot where she sleeps. As much as it looks super comfortable to sit on, her light gray sofa also carries the pink factor of the Condo's palette, thanks to her light pink throw pillows and blanket from Hermes. What's great about this sofa is that she can easily turn it to her bed at the end of a long day. Talk about smart living in a tiny space. Of course, a home sweet home can't be complete without a mirror to see yourself in the cute pamba eaves you can wear. For Kim's case, instead of a large one, she thought adding this medium-sized frame was more than enough. Plus, the gold color accent fits just right into her color scheme. Kim sure knows how to keep her space smelling fresh all day long. Her diffuser is from renowned fragrance brand Jo Malone in the scent peony and blush suede. You can just imagine how relaxing it would be to hang at her place feeling like you're out in a garden. As she talked about this condo, Kim shared, "The best investment of your money is to really buy a property. Might as well buy something for yourself that you will really be proud of." Having a place that you can thrive in is ideal, especially when we're still stuck inside our homes. But if you're looking at a blank wall, maybe a picture frame or a new wallpaper could inspire you to start doing productive things when you glance at it once in a while. We discover that aside from Kim staying true to her style aesthetic, her intention of the tour is so that it could give hope and inspiration to those who would love to have their own place one day. Like how proud she is of herself, it just goes to show how Kim truly works hard to reap the reward she deserves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.